So there are lots of happening in sport and Tarbay and Anas are with us. How are you both doing?
May good Akib, God is very kind, too kind. What about you?
And Rana Sahab, how are you?
I'm good, Akib. How have you been?
Alhamdulillah. And Rana Sahab, what do you say with regards to Champions Trophy? What are the latest updates? And there's a lot of propaganda being done.
Yeah, definitely.
Media that we're not coming and everything.
India has made this a great propaganda, and they are doing politics in this, which is, I guess, we are not in favor of it. We just want India to come in Pakistan and play the Champions Trophy, but they are not doing that. So I really want them to come, but still they are making some excuses and they are using some politics in it. So but if India is not coming, then they have to give a written that why they are not coming to Pakistan.
And Tarbay, what would you want to say on this?
Akib, I think in previous videos I have been mentioning consistently that sports and politics both should be separate from each other. But unfortunately, India is bringing politics more in sports rather than the sports themselves, right? So here comes the fun part. What will happen if India will indulge politics? No doubt they can break or make some or fade some color of this Champions Trophy tournament, but other part of the world will be able to see the real face of the India in the sense of sports. It will definitely humiliate the real face of India in the sports world as well. So if India is thinking that by making some politics or playing some politics in the field of cricket against Pakistan, they will make Pakistan lonely in world cricket, no doubt Pakistan might suffer a bit in the sense of tournament, but on the other hand, the repute and the other real face of India will also be come across among the fans. So I will request the India, please come in the Pakistan to enjoy our great hospitality and security arrangements. It will be good for both nations as well.
And Tarbay, there is a news coming with regard to as you know, the Champions Trophy is touring around the whole country of Pakistan, and I think the ICC has released some promo in which they have not mentioned the name of Pakistan, and the fans are very curious on this news. And this has happened before as well in the World Cup promos also, that Pakistan has been neglected. Which side is ICC taking now?
Akib,
and you saw Cricinfo posting fake messages of delegates.
Akib, the reason is I have mentioned before. Earlier during our time, ICC stands for International Cricket Council. But nowadays, meaning of ICC is Indian Cricket Council. That's the reason they are trying and giving their 100% to keep away Pakistan in the promo and other fields of the cricket. So that's the reason, that's the clever move of Jay Shah, which is trying his level best to set aside Pakistani cricket from the rest of the world. I think Jay Shah, if the Jay Shah has been chosen as the chairman of ICC, he should keep himself away from these small tiny moves, which will not only humiliating himself but also humiliating the real face of ICC as well. I think the other cricketing nations should boycott the Jay Shah and remove said person from this important position which is holding. I think he is a bit immature. He needs some senses to hold this office. Otherwise, cricket among the whole world will face the music.
And Anasa, what do you want to add on this?
Exactly. I guess ICC is not doing the job what they are supposed to do, right? They are supposed to hold the Champions Trophy in Pakistan, but they are trying to make some excuses and they are trying to shift this Champions Trophy to Dubai or South Africa. But for me, I guess for now they should have played a neutral role, and they are the body which are you can say like governing the whole
they're becoming
cricket international, yes, but right now they are just under India. So I guess this should not happen, and I am against this type of thing. And we should I think Pakistan PCB should I guess they should take an action, and they should try to stop Jay Shah by holding this all politics in this.
And Anasa, what would you want to add as we're talking about Pakistan cricket for tomorrow's plans? What combination?
For me, I am going. What I will recommend is that Naseem Shah should take some rest along with Farhan, and I will think about for a new opener, in Pakistan side,
Maybe a
and plus
Seabowler might get it.
yeah, and I want Sufyan as also should be in the team because he has played a well. He had bowled a
The
well
left from
spinner.
Chinaman is very rare. And
So I guess he should be in the team. Plus Babar, Rizwan, Usman Khan, they are good options. But I guess Salman Agha should perform. He is the new vice captain of Pakistan, and I guess he should perform in the next match.
And Tayyib, you wanted to add something regarding Bauzi as basically Kashmiri boy Sufyan.
Yeah,
He got out Maxwell also.
Yeah, key fans will be very stunned by this term Bauzi. I would like to mention that if a left armer do the
Chinaman.
googly, or it will be called Bauzi. So I am very impressed with this Kashmiri boy and wish him best of luck. And as
He reminds of Kuldeep Yadav from India.
yeah, definitely. He is the replica of Kuldeep Yadav. As Akil just mentioned that Salman Agha is now a vice captain of the team. There are a lot of hopes from him.
He's also not performing.
He is not performing as well. It's a very alarming for not only himself, for Pakistani team as well. If he want to really stay in the team or want to hold the position of vice captain, performance is required. If he will perform well, he will in the team. Otherwise, finger will raise against him, and he will not be able to survive in the team.
But Tayyib, what do you say that the critics are saying we are playing too many anchors in the T20 team? More like one day playing, team is playing T20. What do you say? We're lacking power hitters. As we saw, we missed finishing in the last
I
match.
think that's the main issue. We are not allocating the team according the playing format.
You
right?
mentioned Sam name.
We are playing Saim in the Test 11 as well, One Days as well, T20 as well. What's going wrong? He's a player of T20, not even the player of One Day matches.
Even though he performed,
No doubt he performed well, but if we will keep such players in the three format, it will definitely distract their attention and also their playing abilities as well. I think PCB should find more talent and hunt more talent and make at least Test 11 set aside. And One Day T20 might have some common players, but Test team must be a fully Test team. Batsmen will be finalized or professional batsmen, and bowlers should be professionals, right? I think until unless PCB won't work on these things, our team will struggle in upcoming future up to great extent.
And,
It is just a beginning.
and lastly, Tayyib, before we conclude this video, it will be from a happy note that Pakistan's Hassan Usmani has won the Under-14 tennis championship in Turkmenistan, and it's always happy to see young talent coming and emerging for Pakistan. And when we talk about tennis, one name comes to mind is Asamul Saab, and this boy might have him as inspiration. What do you say about this Tayyib? A youngster rising in tennis.
I was seeing smile on your face while you took the name of Isamul. He belongs to your family. It's honor for you as well. Okay, but this Usmani brother has also done very well in tennis. We wish
It's
him
such a small age.
in just a small age. It's a very good sign that youngsters are showing their interest in other sports apart of the cricket. So I wish Isamul Saab should put
He's
some his
also
energy.
the president of tennis.
Yeah,
Federation.
so I think we should pay his more energy in field of tennis, and if such heroes are coming and emerging talent is coming, he should directly supervise them and transfer their knowledge and experience to him, to such players, and they are the players, they are going to represent the country in upcoming future. So it's the best time from the Isamul Haq brother, and I will request Akib you to please send my message to Isamul Haq brother.
Even Akil Khan, these are two top.
Yeah, these are two top notch, and Isamul Haq bhai should give them proper coaching and proper expertise, so these players could replace the name of Isamul Haq and could represent the national blazer at international level.
And Rana sir, what do you want to say? Because you are also sports
Exactly.
lover, you like youngsters winning championships.
This is a
at
big
young age.
news, and I really want the new talent in the Pakistan Tennis Championship, inshallah. And I
hope this
really
boy
want
will shine for
shine as Asamul Haq has shine in his career. And I wish him the best of luck, and I wish he should win some championship and gold medal for Pakistan, inshallah.
Rana sir, thank you so much for your time, and inshallah tomorrow we'll again have you with another video. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to Sports here for more content like this. Till then, just goodbye from me and Tahir Bhai and Rana sir side. Take good care of yourself and
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.